Hi, my name is Alicia Young, and this is my personal introduction video for EDL 856, School and Community Relations. I want to start out by saying again once more that my name is Alicia Young. I am an educator, I'm a mother of two college students, and I live in Wichita, Kansas. Um, so I'm going to take the liberties of introducing myself the way that it was presented in the articles that we read. And so when I think about who I am and what I do for a living, my greatest joy comes from those aha moments when they experience new things. So what I do is I provide resources and I ask questions that lead others to clarity, new learning, excitement, and motivation. And I help leaders and teachers focus on their goals that improve their work in the building or in the school system. Um, People have great ideas and they're very resourceful. So, what I do is I help them move forward. I help school leaders and teachers move forward by providing resources, mediating thinking as they navigate decisions and focus on their priorities. So I work in Wichita Public Schools. I've worked there for 25 years. My current role is a school improvement specialist. And I have had lots of experience in the district and lots of different jobs and roles. I've served on work groups as a facilitator of the professional learning work group. I've worked as an instructional coach in the building and at the district level. I've also been both a middle school teacher for many years and an elementary school teacher. So I've had various experiences with school and community relationships, as you can probably imagine by some of the responsibilities that I've had over the past 25 years. And some things that I believe about the importance of community relations. I believe that perception is reality. And I believe that it's all kind of up to us in the way that we posture the things that we're doing, the things we believe, and we posture those things in a positive way. And that will help folks understand and learn more about what we do and why we do it. How I communicate in my current role is often through maybe flyers that might go out, announcements. Very frequently, I'm sending emails to district leaders, school principals, staff, teachers. And not as much involved with parents or students as I have been in the past as a teacher. But I do contribute to the district websites and provide information that's going to go out to teachers. I also provide information that's going to go out to a lot of people. We have a very large district, and so I have to be very mindful of my communication with the staff in our district. And the other thing that I believe about the importance of community relations is I feel that the communication really gives us the opportunity to build relationships. And that's really what we all seek, is that feeling of belonging. And so when we have clarity, we understand, and folks are communicated with clearly, then we have that sense of belonging. So one thing, as I mentioned before, that I'm looking forward to in learning is as I communicate with building leaders on a very regular basis, I'm looking forward to new ideas and ways of sharing information and communicating in a way that will strengthen those relationships. So I'm glad to be here. I appreciate the learning that has already taken place just in the very first module. And thanks for taking time and watching my video.